Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your PS5 to a notebook. First, ensure you have a compatible capture card, 2 HDMI cables, and your notebook. We will then go over installing the necessary software and drivers. Following that, you'll learn the physical connection process. Finally, we will configure the settings to get you ready for gameplay. To begin, a crucial piece of equipment is an HDMI capture card, which converts the console signal for your notebook. You will also need 2 HDMI 2.0 cables, each at least 3 feet long, for reliable video and audio transmission. Make sure your notebook has a USB 3.0 port or a more recent version to handle the data transfer efficiently. This ensures a smooth gaming experience. After gathering your hardware, the next step involves software. First, install the dedicated software provided by your capture card manufacturer. This program will display your console's output. Second, always download and install the latest drivers directly from the capture card's official website for optimal performance. Remember to restart your notebook after completing the driver installation to ensure everything is properly recognized and configured for use. Now, let's establish the physical connections. First, take one HDMI cable and connect it from your PlayStation 5's HDMI out port directly to the HDMI input port on your capture card. Next, plug the capture card's USB 3.0 cable securely into an available USB 3.0 port on your notebook. This crucial step routes the video and audio data from your console through the capture card to your notebook, preparing it for display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.